Hello guys, my name is Leah and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an unboxing as usual. I feel like I do these videos so much now, but it's fine. I have a lot of things to show you. You have a lot of things you want to see, hopefully. Today I received this in the mail. It is from Influenster. This is the Redken 5th Avenue, New York City, new dry texture collection. It's the secret to second day styling hair. So this little bad boy, I am so excited. I got my hair ruined by a salon. You guys will see that video soon if it's not already up, but now I can't straighten it whatsoever because it just falls out. It's so damaged. Influencer was kind enough to send this to me for free. Influencer sends these products to like everyday people, normal people. A bunch of my friends are a part of Influencer. You can be too. All you have to do is go in the description of this video and you will find the link to Influencer. I do not get any money, nothing from you subscribing. So as you see, Influencer is on this box and I'm just gonna open it to show you guys what we received. Usually with Influencer you do get full-size products, so that's the good thing. We're gonna go to the card. The card tells you exactly what is in the box. So it says the new Redken dry texture collection. Create effortless texture and style any day of the week. So that's good because I have extended washing my hair from 3 days to 4 to 5 as long as I could push it. So I think this will definitely help me. So it says we have dry shampoo paste, triple dry 15, dry texture finishing spray, and dry shampoo powder. It's all very interesting and new to me. What the hell is a shampoo paste? So this is the Redken 5th Avenue, New York City dry shampoo paste in the number 5. This is definitely interesting. So what it says on the top, because I have no idea what shampoo paste is, how do you use it? I don't know. It says half dry shampoo and half styling paste. Let's open this up. It's really just like it's not going anywhere. It really is just a paste. I don't know why I'm trying to smell this. I can't smell it. However, let's see how it feels. So it kind of is like coconut oil. It kind of feels like coconut oil. Like when you rub it, it melts in your hand. This is what this does. It doesn't feel like anything really. So to use, work a small amount onto fingertips and apply at the roots. Can be used on damp or dry hair. So this is basically like dry shampoo, however, not in the spray form. I know a lot of people have issues with the spray form, like it'll leave like white marks, so I'm guessing this is just a paste version of dry shampoo. When you have oily roots, you just take a little of this and then put it on your roots wherever you need help. The next thing we have is the dry shampoo powder. This is interesting because I've never seen this in my life. So it's basically a dry shampoo powder with charcoal in it. Shake gently at the roots and massage onto hair and scalp. Brush through to remove any excess. This is like an actual powder. Already I opened it and you can see the powder. Let's see if we go. Ooh. It's kind of like putting baby powder on your head. Does it leave any white spots? It's looking like it's leaving some white spots in my hair. I'll be right back. So it definitely left some white residue on my hair. So this is something I probably will use on like the ends of my hair, like where my hair can cover it up. Not directly at the root because now I look like I'm going gray. The last thing in my box I am super excited about just because it's a really big product. It is the triple dry 15 dry texture finishing spray. Let's read how to use it because I have no idea how to use any of these. To use, shake well before use. Hold 6 to 12 inches away and spray on dry previously styled hair. So I'm gonna shake it for you guys. It seems like a hairspray that's like very light to me, or at least that's what it sounds like to me. So the nozzle is kind of like scary. Yeah, so we're just gonna spray it here. Oh, it does smell really good. Did it raise it? Kind of. We're gonna see this side to see if it actually is doing its job. So it definitely feels like a hairspray. It's a little crunchy on this side, I would say. So I definitely would say it's kind of like a really light hairspray. As you see, there is more volume there than there was before. And this actually smells really good. I'm so excited to use this. So I'm really happy that they sent me this box for free to a normal person in a normal house. You can get it too, just check the description. So this was everything in the box. I really hope you guys enjoyed my mini unboxing of what Influenster sent me. If you're new here and like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. So that's pretty much all for this video. So I would definitely see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah.